Homework question. If P is equal to factors of 36 and Q is equal to factors of 48, find P union Q. Sixth one. So what are the factors of 36? Which are the factors of 36? 1 into 36 is 36. Then
3.
2 into 8.
2 into 18
2
is equal to 36.
3 into 12. 4 into 9. 6 into 6.
3 into
9,
12 is
12.
3 into
3 into
6 is 36.
4 into 9.
4 9s are 36.
Then
6 into 6.
6 are 36.
6
Into 6 are 30.
So U shape we can form, no? So 1 factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4.
6, 9, 12, 18, 36.
Okay. Then we have to find out the factors of 48. Which are the factors of 48? 48 into 1 is equal to 48.
2 into 24.
2 into 24. 2 into 24.
2 into 24 is equal to 48. Then 3
3 into
16.
16.
3 into 16 is equal to 48.
48. Then
4 into
4
12.
into 12 is equal to 48.
48.
6 into 8.
6
6
into
into
8.
8.
Then 7.
That's it, ma'am.
So U shape. No? So Q is equal to set. We can write it as 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8, 12, 16, 24 and 48. So up to this, okay. Then answer for P union Q, no? P union Q is what? You got that answer. P union Q. 1, 2, 3.
3, 4, 6, 8, 9, 12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48.
12, 16, 18, 24, 36, 48, isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
Then what about P intersection Q? First set, then second one, P intersection Q.
1, 2, 3, 4, 6.
3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 6,
12.
12.
That's much. That's much only, no?
Yes.
Okay. Then next set is what? Q minus P. What about Q minus P? Third one. Q minus P. Q minus P.
8, 16,
8,
24, 48.
Up to
94,
we
8,
can delete
48.
1 to 6.
8, 6, 8,
You
12,
16.
8, 12 we can subtract, no?
16,
8, 16, 24, 48.
24, 48.
24, 48. Only elements in Q we have to write that. Why? Because Q minus P. Is it correct, all of you?
Yes, ma'am.
24, 48. Next is fourth one. We have to find out P complement intersection Q. So we have Q. So P also we have. But what about P complement? P complement means elements which are not in P. Think of the elements which are not in P. Which are not in P. Universal
5, 7, 10.
All the elements. Universal set means one from 1 to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, etc. All the elements belongs to universal set. P complement means elements which are not in P, but it should be in the universal set. It will not be in P. So P complement means 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5,
7.
7, 5, 11, 8, 7, 8,
So 10, 11,
11,
12 is there in P.
13,
Then 13,
13,
14,
14,
16,
17.
17,
18 is there in P. So 18 on it, 19, 20,
20,
22.
21,
20,
24,
25,
26,
27,
28, etc. 30,
6.
30, no,
35,
35.
35,
Then you can write 37, then etc. Understood? 36 is there in P. So we can't write 36. So up to 35, then remaining 36 no need, then 37. Then we need which one? P complement intersection Q. So what about the value of intersection we have to find out, no? So P complement intersection Q. Understood how to find P complement? Any doubt in this? Elements, P complement means elements which are not in
Which are not in
in P, but it will be in universal set. Universal set means we can say these are natural numbers. So all the numbers 1, 2, etc. We can't say which is the last number. All the numbers. So P complement intersection Q will be what? Tell me P complement intersection Q. P complement this one. Q's intersection means which are numbers. P complement intersection Q.
8.
Any numbers are there? P complement common numbers. 1, 8 is there. Then
16.
16 is there. Okay, 16 is there.
24.
24.
36.
24. Take a pencil and if you have any problem, just mark a circle. 24. Then
38.
40. 48 is here, etc. 37, etc. means 48 also will be there, no? So P complement intersection Q. 8, 16, 24, 48. Is it okay?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Clear, no? Okay. Then next, which one doubt? P complement intersection Q. Seventh set.
7, 6 to 1.
Seventh.
B minus B.
B minus B is what? B minus B null set.
Null set.
2 minus 2 we will say it as 0. No, 2 minus 2 we will say it as 0. 3 minus 3 0. Same way set B minus set B. All the elements, suppose B is equal to, we are getting B is equal to set 1 2 and B another set same B 1 2. B minus B is what? 1 minus 1. Same B minus B is what? Null set. No elements. Null set. B minus B null set. Then so seventh question, no problem. Then
Ma'am, 8.
seventh first answer. What about the first answer? Answer we will discuss. Seventh first answer. Tell me. Answers only. I will tell you. Seventh first one. Check whether your answer is correct or wrong. A minus B.
7 and 9.
And 9.
7, 9. Then C set in set builder form. No. Set of all x such that x belongs to n and 2 less than or equal to 7. So which are the elements in set C?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
3, 4, 5.
4, 5, 6, 7.
Then A and B is directly given there. No, no need of that. A minus B. Correct? No, all of you?
Yes,
Want to
ma'am.
explain
Yes,
or not?
ma'am.
If you need explanation, please tell me. Okay. Then only I will explain. So B minus C is what? B minus C.
8 and 10. 8 and 10.
10. 10. B minus A minus C. Third question.
4, 6, 10.
4, 6, 10. All got the correct
10.
answer? Same answer? No?
Yes.
Then fourth one.
ma'am.
A minus B, 9.
Then
B.
A minus B
Yes,
union C.
9.
9.
Only 9.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Only one
ma'am.
element. Then fourth. Then fifth one. B minus A intersection C.
4, 8, 10.
8.
4, 8, 10. Others? Same.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 4, 8, 10.
4, 8, 10.
Yes.
Okay. 4, 8, 10. Then
And 4 and 10.
sixth one. 4, 8, 10. Sixth one. B minus B. Don't write a 0. You have to write it as null set or this way. Okay. Please don't write a 0. Set form you have to write. Okay. Don't write 0. Null set or that set. No elements in that set. It's known as null set. Okay. Then 8th is what? Verify. No, both answers you will get it as the same. No, same answer you will get. A minus B union C, you will get one answer. That same answer only you will get for A minus B intersection A minus C. 8th answer. You have done that? 8th and 9th?
Yes, ma'am.
So verify whether it's whether they are same or not. Both answers. Verified or not?
Verified. Yes, ma'am.
Whether they are same or not?
Yes, they
No.
are same.
8th question. First one, we want to find out verify A minus B union C is equal to A minus B what intersection A minus C. So first we have to find out A we have, B also, C also we have, no, in roster form. So how can we find? First we have to find out B union C. Then we have to subtract this. Final answer A.
1.
What to do?
Ma'am,
What to do? A is equal to set 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. B is equal to what? 2, 4, 6, 8. And C is equal to set 3, 4, 5, 6. B union C is what? B union C.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 8.
2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
8. Then first part we have to prove what? A minus B union C.
Yes.
A
Is equal
minus B union C.
1.
1.
1.
Set 1.
So 2 we don't want to write. 3 also we don't want to write. We are subtracting. Then 4 we don't want to write. 5 also we don't want to write. So answer
1, 6, 8.
how many
1.
elements are set 1 only. Set 1 only. Okay. So let it be there. The same answer we have to get for which one?
A minus B.
After doing this calculation, we want to get the answer as what? Set 1. Then only we can say that the two are same. That we can say that. Then we can say what? We verified that. Both are same.
Verified.
So how can we do A minus B? So now we got this set as set 1. So A minus B. What about A minus B?
1, 3, 4.
1, 3.
A
1, 3,
minus B. So 1,
3,
2
5.
is
3,
3 is
5.
not there. 4 is there. 5.
5.
A minus B. A minus B. Then we have to find out A minus C. What about A minus C?
1 and 2.
1,
2.
2. 3 is there in C. So no need of writing that C. 4 is also in C. No need of writing. 5 is also there in C. 4 is also there, no? So we need to write only
4 is also there.
Answer is 1.
No, is it correct or wrong? 1, 2.
Yes,
A
ma'am.
minus-
Ma'am, 1, 2.
So we have to find out A minus B intersection A minus C. A minus B intersection A minus C. It is 1 only. So here also we got the answer as 1. So we can say that these two are equal. That means we verified that. Verified means it is correct. No. Both answers are 1. So we can say that this is equal to that one.
Is equal to 1.
So that's verified. Verified. So both the values are 1. So therefore it is verified. Therefore we can write therefore it is verified. So therefore it is verified. So same. Any doubt in question number 8, second one, same way only. Then same that question number 9. 9 any doubt? 9th set.
No doubt, ma'am.
Okay. So can
No
we
doubt.
do? Okay. Can we do exercise Venn diagram exercise? Exercise 6E.
Yes,
Right.
ma'am.
6E. Right. exercise. So last exercise, some questions only we can do. Okay. Important for the higher classes. These questions are important for higher classes that we can do. Exercise 6E. So one figure is given there. Venn diagram. Universal set U.
Everyone draw on the notebook.
If you have text means no problem. Otherwise you have to know. If you don't have text means you have to draw. Otherwise you won't get no. So A, D. Inside that intersection part is CE. Then B, F. Outside G, here H. We had to find out first one. From the given diagram, find A union B. Then A complement intersection B. Then third one A minus B. Fourth one B minus A. 1 second, okay. Do it.
Ma'am, drawn. Ma'am, you have muted.
Okay, some disturbance here.
Ma'am,
That's
you are
fine. Now it's okay. Some disturbance here. That's fine. Okay. A union B. A union B. So how can we find A? First we can find set A, no? So near this can write A. What are the sets? A. Look at the diagram.
A, C, D. A, A, C,
Circle. Okay.
A, C,
E,
A,
C,
C,
E.
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 Understood how to take this? A, D, C, E. Why? Because C, E is common in what? A and D. A and B. A and B common elements are C and E. That is why intersection part they wrote. No, they are usually doing like this way. A, D, C, E. Any doubt in this take?
No,
Any
ma'am.
question? Then what about B? What will be B?
B, F.
F, C, E.
C,
E.
E,
E, C,
C. Anyway, you can write C, E, B,
B,
F. Is it okay, no? C, E, B, F. Okay. Then we have to find out what A union B. What will be A union B then? A union A we have, B also we have.
A, B, C, D.
A,
E, A, B, C,
B we have. So if you have any problem, you take a pencil and mark it. That is better. A, B, C,
D,
D. C also we wrote. No, C already we wrote. D.
E.
E means two others only. Need to write only one E. Then
F.
F. So A, B, C, D, E, F. Clear, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes,
A
ma'am.
complement. A complement intersection B. A complement intersection B. So A complement intersection B. What will be the elements of A complement? Then only we can find A complement intersection B. So which are the elements in A complement? Which are not in A? It should not be
B.
anything can.
B.
B.
Okay.
B.
F,
F.
E,
G,
G. H.
H,
C. H.
I, J, X,
H, B, F, H, G. Elements which are not in A. That is A complement. So A complement intersection B means which will be the elements. A complement intersection B. This is A complement and this is B. A complement intersection B. Intersection means common elements.
B.
B and
B.
and
B and
C and F.
B and F only, no?
Yes, ma'am.
yes, ma'am.
Set B comma F. Any doubt in this? Easy chapter.
Yes,
So
ma'am.
if you do this properly means next question also it will be easy. Understood, no? Want to explain once again? Is it okay for you?
No.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So A
Yes, ma'am.
minus
Okay.
A minus B. So what will be A minus B? Think of A
A
minus
and D.
A.
A.
Is the A
B.
here? A we can write.
A and A.
D.
D. D.
A comma D we can write. What C can we write? C? No, it is there in B also. So C no need. E also no need. Only we can write A and D. So A minus B is A comma D. Similarly, B minus A. Think of B. B minus A.
C, F.
C here. No need to write. E also here in A. So no need to write. So which one we want to write?
B, F.
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 B,
Which is
F.
equal to B comma F. Then A union B whole complement. So we already wrote A union B. So what will be A union B whole complement? A union B complement. A union B complement means it should not be in A union B. It should be in the universal set. Universal set means this is the universal set. What about the universal set? That tell me. Universal set means which are the elements included in the universal set?
A.
A,
B. C.
D,
E. F.
G,
F.
G, H. So A union B whole complement means it should not be in A union B and it should be in the universal set. So which are the elements?
G and H.
G and
G and H.
Okay, G comma H. What about others? Understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
ഇതില് ബിയും എഫും ആയിരിക്കാൻ പാടില്ല.
Yeah. Parnyo. What is your doubt?
No, ma'am. I am saying to myself.
Okay. Wow, that's a good quality. Understand and study. I appreciate you. Very good. Then any others doubt? Can we do the second question?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We can do second. Yes, ma'am.
Okay, you do yourself. Okay. After that only I will explain. So try to do
Okay.
yourself. This is the universal set. Then circle like this way and then one more oval shape. Here this is written as B and here A. Outside 9, 10, 7, then 180 is also there. Then here 1, 5, 2. Then 3, 6, 4. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. From second question. From the given diagram. Find first one A complement, second one B complement, then third question A complement union B complement, then fourth one A intersection B whole complement. Then after this we have to check whether is A complement union B complement is equal to A intersection B whole complement, whether these two answers are same or not. That we have to check. So start. I think first write a set A, set B and a universal set. So that we will be in a safe zone. Otherwise looking at the figure means it will be difficult. So first from the figure write A, then B, then universal set also you write. Or starting itself you can write universal set. Starting you write universal set. After that from the universal set only we are getting A, B, no. After completing, please raise your hands, okay? Or just voice, give me a voice. First, we can discuss set A, universal set, and a B. What about universal set? Tell me.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What about A?
A is equal to 3, 6, 4, 1.
3, 6, 4, 1.
3, 6, 4, 1. Okay. 3, 6, 4, 1. Then B?
1, 5, 2.
2,
1,
5, 1.
1, 2. 1, 5, 2. Okay, then A complement. Got A complement?
2.
What others want to wait? Wait for others. Completed or
Completed, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Completed, ma'am.
completed? Okay. So what about A complement? A complement means it should not be in A, but it will be in the universal set. So which are the elements?
2,
2, 5, 7,
2,
8,
5, 7, 10, 9, 7, 2, 5, 7, 10, 2, 5, 7, 8, 9, and 10.
One is also there. Okay, one is there in A. Okay, one.
is the
We didn't write that one here in this set. Here.
Ma'am, you wrote it last.
Okay.
Ma'am, we have already written
Okay,
3, 6, 4, 1.
So what about A complement? One is not there. Then one is here.
5,
2, 7, 8, 10.
2, 7, 2, 7.
Five.
2, 5,
2, 5,
2,
2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10.
7, 8, 9,
10.
2, 5, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. Then next, B complement.
B complement.
B complement is equal to
3, 4,
3,
3,
4,
4, 6,
3,
7,
4,
8,
6,
9.
7, 8, 9, 10. 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
9. The first part A complement, the first part and second part completed. No, first and second question. Okay. Then third question is what? A complement union B complement. So A complement we have, B complement also we have. So A complement union B complement means
7, 8, 9, 10.
union.
5.
Union.
2, 3, 3, 4,
4, 5, 9,
6,
5,
9,
6,
9,
7, 8, 9, 10, 9,
8,
10.
9,
9, 10.
10. Okay. Then A intersection B whole complement. So first we have to find out A intersection B. Now from here we have to find out A intersection B. Then only we can find A intersection B whole complement. So for finding that we have to find out first A intersection B. A intersection B means intersection.
1.
Only one. So A intersection B whole complement. A intersection B whole complement means it should not be in A intersection B. A intersection B whole complement.
two, 3, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
2, 3, 4,
5,
7, 8,
7, 9,
7,
9, 10.
6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A intersection B whole complement. Then check whether A complement union B complement is equal to, we have to find out that now. A intersection B whole complement. A intersection B whole complement. Whether these two are equal or not, we have to check. Is this two equal?
It is equal.
That is last line we can write. That is A complement union B complement. Let's see. A complement union B complement is equal to A intersection B whole complement. That is the final answer. After completing this last line answer, A complement union B complement is equal to A intersection B whole complement. Okay.
Ma'am, next question.
Next question. One thing in your text, if you have text with you, we have to do question number 3, 4, 10, and 11. The remaining questions means use a Venn diagram to draw a Venn diagram that we have already written in while explaining disjoint sets over joint set, disjoint sets, how to represent A subset of B and A minus B, A union B, A intersection B. Already we discussed that yesterday. That same thing only you have to draw without numbers. How can you draw a Venn diagram? Yesterday's portion.
So numbers should not be there.
No numbers are there in text problems. You don't want to draw that. Okay. So you got the idea of how to draw that diagram without numbers. No, that
Yes.
only will. That only will.
ma'am.
Study that. Okay, how to draw a Venn diagram. Which are the cases we discussed? Joint set, disjoint set, and subset. Subset. In that, first we discuss which one A union B, then A intersection B,
A
A
minus
minus B, Then
A minus
B
B,
minus
B minus A.
minus A.
B minus A. 4 things. No, 4 cases is joint, disjoint, and subset. That you should study properly yesterday's work. Okay. So that much only for drawing that Venn diagram. Then 3, 4, question number 10 and 11. That same model, this questions. So if not possible today means try to do as a homework for tomorrow. I will send. So now we can do question number 3. So which are the questions we have to do? Mark, if you have text, you can mark question number 3, homework questions. Question number 3, 4, 10 and 11. So these questions we have to do. So now we can do 3. Now I will get only time now. We will get only time for doing only 3 now.
Yes.
I think so. So remaining 3, 4, 10, 4, 10, 11 will be homework. Okay. This will be homework. 3 we can do now. Okay, Venn diagram. Draw properly. But I had to draw the big one. That is better. Always. Universal set. Then 1, 3 circles are there. Okay. All are joint circles. 1, 2, then 3. Here A, B, the set C. Outside P, N, M outside. Then here B, A, C, D, G. Here H, here J, here I, K, L, here E, F. Okay. Use the given diagram. Use the given diagram to find first one A union B intersection C. Then second one B minus A minus C. Then third one A minus B. Then fourth one A intersection B complement. Then is A intersection B complement is equal to A minus B. So for finding these all things, we have to find the set, universal set A, B, and C separate. Completed this question?
No, ma'am.
So can we wind up this chapter today? Sets.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes,
ma'am.
ma'am.
Easy, no?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So which day we can conduct this paper? Tell me. Monday. So no need of assessment test tomorrow. Monday.
Monday no
evening.
class.
Monday evening, because we have to complete some basic concepts about percentage, profit loss. That are things we have to discuss. So tomorrow, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, 4 days we have.
Monday.
Monday we don't have
Monday evening. Okay. Monday evening sets exam.
And time.
Ma'am, time 5 o'clock. Convenient? Or 6?
Yes, ma'am.
And
5
5
It's
o'clock.
okay.
5 o'clock. Okay.
At 5 o'clock.
Okay.
Ma'am, through online or offline?
That I will inform you. Okay. Through message.
Okay.
That message I will send you. Okay. What about A? Completed this? A set A.
First you want to find universal set.
Okay, universal set. Can I rub this?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
Yes, ma'am.
What about universal set?
Universal set is equal to
Set U is equal to
A,
set
B,
A,
A,
C, D,
B,
C, D,
F,
G, H, I, J, K, L,
L,
M, N,
M,
N, P.
P. P also there. Then A. A is equal to set
A, B, C, D, G, H, I.
A, B, C. A, B, C, D, G, H, I. G, H, I. Understood how to take? Any doubt in this?
No,
No,
ma'am.
ma'am.
No, ma'am.
The elements in A elements. Don't bother about whether it is in C or B. It is there in A, so that you should write. Then B. B is equal to, I don't have space, that's why you can write down. Then set B.
B is equal to B, G,
E, F, J, D, G, H, I,
G,
D, G, H, J, F,
H,
E,
J,
J,
F,
F,
E.
D, G, H, J, F, E. Then C. C is equal to set
H I J K
H,
L.
I,
H I J K L.
H, I, J, K, L. Okay. Yeah. Completed these questions, no? Completed these questions, no?
Yes, ma'am.
These questions can error.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
First, we have to find out A union B intersection C. So for that, we have to find out B intersection C. What will be B intersection C? Take your pencil if you have any problem. If you have any difficulty, if you are feeling any difficulty, take your pencil and draw a circle. That is better.
H and J.
H,
H and J.
H, I is not there, then J. J is there. So common means J we should write. K no. Then L also not there. So H and J. Then A union B intersection C. So think about A. A union. Union B intersection C.
A B C D G H I J.
B C D
G H J.
I, J.
I J.
I, J.
First part completed. Then second question. Union B intersection. Then B minus A minus C. So for that, first we have to do A minus C. What about A minus C? A minus C. A minus C.
A, B, C,
A,
B, C,
C,
D, D,
D,
G,
G also.
G,
H we don't want to write.
C.
H is here. I also here. So B, G. B minus A minus C. Look at B, B, A minus C. B minus. So D, can we write a D? It is there. No, I need to write a D. G also.
E and
E, F,
Yes, ma'am.
F, H,
J.
H, J, F, T.
H, J,
J, F,
F,
E.
E. So that is the second part. Then next is A minus B. You can see the board fully, no? Full screen you can.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
Okay. Can I have the first one? And third one.
Yes, ma'am.
A minus B. Third A minus B.
A, B, C, I.
Third A minus B. A minus B. So think of A minus B. So A, B,
A, B, C,
C, I.
Then I only we need to A minus B. Right. A minus B. A, B, C, I. The next one is A intersection B complement. You know? So fourth one we have to find out A intersection B complement. So for that first we have to find out B complement. You know? I think it is completed.
A, B,
B complement. B complement means it should not be in B.
B,
So
but it should be universal set.
universal set.
A, B, C,
C,
A, B, C,
A, B, C, D is there. You check the universal set.
I, J, K, L, M, N.
E also there. E also there.
I.
F also there. G also there. H also. Then next is I. Then J is there. Then K.
L, M, P,
K,
L, M, P.
M, N,
L, M, P. That is B complement. So A intersection B complement is equal to
A, B,
A
C,
intersection
I.
A, B, C, I.
A, B, C,
I.
C, I.
G not there, G, no, H, no, I is here. So I intersection, I is here. A intersection B complement. Okay, then is A intersection, what about last question? Is A intersection B complement is equal to A minus B. What about A intersection B complement? Now we got. Then I don't have. Then what about A minus B? A, B, C. Here also
A, B.
minus B. A, B, C, I. So,
It is
A intersection B complement
Equal.
is equal to A minus B. Therefore, it is verified.
Ma'am, the time is 1:02.
ma'am, we can't see that side.
This side.
And board is
Ma'am,
not clear.
Now it's clear, no? Now, okay.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes,
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 ma'am.
ma'am.
Okay, so remaining, which was 10, 4, 10, and 11. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
4, 10, and 11. Do as a homework. If any doubt, we can discuss tomorrow.
Okay,
Ma'am,
ma'am.
you will send me questions
you,
of the homework.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Please send photos. That question.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, tell me. Thank you, all of you.